Alright, what is up everybody? So we are out here at Silver Springs National Forest going for a nature walk with Newbie. Taking him for his first nature walk ever. Yeah, letting all the snurfles in. But freaking gorgeous out here. Letting him just roam and snurfle wherever he wants. My mom is out here somewhere. I don't know where. Oh, there she is. Way up in front. But using my Hohem gimbal. Oh yeah. Snurfle, snurfle. Gotta readjust here because my bag and everything. Oh. Yeah, there we go. Absolutely gorgeous out here. We're literally like maybe 100 feet into this trail. Oh my God, we just want to go. You just don't even know what to all do you, boo? Oh my God. Such snurfles, much wow. Get out of my way, lady. We young, good snurfles. So quiet out here too. Really beautiful trees. And I can safely say that I've never been on a nature walk before. Or at least, not that I can remember. Not probably since I was a little ass kid. So, this will be neat. And I am using my Hohem M7 gimbal. Because otherwise, it would be very bouncy footage. With the sling mount grip. So it actually is way easier to hold. Yeah, Newbie. Oh, Mr. Tinkles. This is just so pretty and peaceful out here. I'd mic myself up, but I don't think everyone wants to hear me. The whole nature walk. Because some wolfy butt sure is yanking me along. New snurfle is so exciting. I stop wherever he wants to stop. Just because let them snurfle. In Sam's case, nibble and taste some grass. Some new fresh grass. Yeah, walking with this gimbal makes a difference. And it's going to be, I mean, I can see the way it's adjusting. Oh, okay. It's like, you know, because it's like with my bouncing and everything. Oh, hey, look, a bench for fatties like us. Isn't that nice? I hear animals.
I hear something.
Oh God, then I'm gonna trip. If it's a monkey,
Oh God.
someone's gonna have to hold my leash back. Okay, Sam, you can go in front. I don't need a whole video of honk, honk, honk. Because you always got to be in front anyway. That's when you start yanking. You got to be first. Nice little. What do you that's a lizard. A really big one. There we go. It's absolutely gorgeous. And this is cool. This would be really awesome to come out here on an e-bike. Nice little side trails, little side quest adventures. But man, this Hohem gimbal is freaking amazing for walking and keeping the shot nice and steady. Doobie doobie doobie. You having fun, Mr. Snurfles? I know you're having fun. Yeah, I was gonna bring him to the dog park, but I was like, you know what? I want to do something different. So I was like, you know what? I don't want to go to the dog park. And I've been meaning to do this with him anyway. Is just bring him out take him out on a nature walk. What I'd like to do is get him on his big 50-foot leash down on a beach so he can just run and frolic and be a weirdo on the beach. Oh, Anubis, stop yanking so much. Anubis, come here. Sit. Oh, yeah. Cabin back there. Maybe like a four-wheeler trail or something. Oh, we've caught up to the other dog people. Yeah. Hi, newbie butt. Got the leash cam. Yeah. Pull off to the side. Oh, newbie doobie. Yeah. Yeah, Mr. Yankee over here. Yeah, try. Yeah. I'll take a drink of that. Okay. We'll pause the video. Okie dokie. And now we're done with our water break. So, on we go. Onward. Oh, now we all gotta stop and snurple. Oh my gosh.
Sam filled up so he can pee again now. He was pretty empty.
Hi, newbie. Yeah. Nice little nature trail. You just need to not be so Yankee. Next time we'll bring our own water bottle and Grandma can start out 20 minutes prior. You know, just... That's his problem. Sam starts to yank if he wants to be in front. But then when you guys get ahead, then newbie starts to want to yank to catch up. Newbies, come here. Come here, sit. Sit. Hey, sit. Good boy. Yeah, just chill out for a little bit. It's okay if Grandma gets ahead. So peaceful out here. That's why I'm letting her get ahead. She talks a lot. Love my mother, but you talk a lot. Yeah. See if we can't make it down to the river, let you dip your face in it. That's what I want. I'm hoping that the river will be part of the crystal clear, like that crystal river stuff. Cool. Man, this is beautiful out here. Oh, Anubis. Here. Here, sit. Let me get a little head. Yeah. Let me get a little head there, Breathy. This is the river trail. You hear little lizards scampering off in the bushes. It's hilarious. Well, newbie, heel. No, heel. It's okay if they get ahead. This is our walk, not their walk. So that it's fine if they get ahead. Or poot dog. Yeah. You're yanking yourself and tugging on yourself. Come here. Want them to get ahead and out of sight so that way maybe he'll stop yanking. Because I don't want him yanking and choking himself. Yeah. You just chill out for a little bit. That's what you need to do. Just lounge like a fat lizard. There we go. Let me get way ahead. Yeah, see? Then you get Snurfle. Daddy can shoot some nice nature videos. Yeah. Shush about this. Newbie, Anubis, hey. I'm gonna get a harness for you because I don't like the way that that's yanking on you. Well, the way you're yanking yourself. Well, yank. Ooh, little lizards. Ooh, trail to the river. And supposedly there's like a little kayak launch. Oh, trail to the museum. God, this is gorgeous. Oh, no, you want to snurfle around? Go ahead, snurfle, snurfle. Trail to the river. Oh, and then they got a nice map. Probably you are here. Use some actual exercise. Get Daddy's fat butt some extra exercise. God, this is just gorgeous out here. I know, Grandma's way ahead, but that's okay. Newbie, it's fine if you can't see your grandma. We'll catch up to them. Unless Sam gets a wild hair up his butt and drags her off into the woods. Newbie, she's right there. I know, she's right there. Get you some hiking boots. Say, please don't pull me down, Anubis. That would really suck. Newbie. Newbie, heel. Just calm down. You're fine. You don't always need to be up by Grandma. You can just enjoy the walk. I guess this trail's like 1.5 miles long. Now, push your buttons. You dip your toes into the river. We get up to it. Yanking to get up to your grandma isn't going to help you, bud. Nope. Not going to get you there faster. We're just going to walk. Newbie. Newbie, shush. Next bench we come across, we'll take a little break there, boob. How about that? Okay, let's get to walking again. Newbie, Anubis, heel, heel, heel. You're yanking, you're doing too much. Boob, let's go. Let's go. Oh yeah, there's a kayak right there. Oh yeah, you can't see the river from here. Neat. Alright, boob, see if you're a water dog or not. Or if you're like, ew, gross water. Oh, uh-oh. I do see a sign. I do see a sign that says caution alligators. Oh yeah, no swimming. And I'm assuming that's because of gators. Oh yeah, right there. Wear it and buckle up. Along the trails and waterways of this park, they usually eat fish, turtles, and other small animals. Alligators have known to attack humans. No swimming. Alligators are dangerous. Do not approach, frighten, or feed. Okay. Oh yeah, that is crystal clear. I can see the crystal clearness. All right. Oh, neat. I mean, a little mossy, but you can kind of see a little bit of blueness. You can kind of see the blueness right there. This is pretty. And somebody doing a little boat, a little motorboat, and yeah, this, if it was clear, like, because it looks kind of mossy right now, but out in the middle there you can see blueness, like you can even see it on the screen a little bit. Really pretty. Yeah. That's why I'm standing over here, because there ain't no gator gonna be able to get through this. Alright, well, we've seen enough. I'm not gonna walk Newbie down to the water just because I don't want there to be a gator thinking he's a tasty fat snack. There we go. So you can see right out in there, you can see the blue crystal clear water. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay, let's go walk, because your grandma's already ahead of us, Newbie. It was nice talking to you. You have a great day. Yeah, check them out. It's Hohem. Hohem. Yep. You too. No, actually, it's because they have U.S. Distribution. So they, it's a Shenzhen, China company, but they have U.S. distribution. So everything's out of California. So it's usually you can get free shipping with them too, which is nice. Okay, Newbie, did you have a good rest? We'll have to bring you down to a beach sometime so you can go get splashy splashy. Oh, Mr. Tinkles. Okay. Alright, let's go. Yeah, sorry about that. I had to advertise the Hohem gimbals because it's just an amazing gimbal. Like, if I was just walking and recording right now, it would be very, very bouncy all over the place. It would not be a good shot. But because I'm using my M7, I'm able to have a nice steady shot. And it's charging my phone, which is really neat. And I'm still fully charged on it. Doobie doobie. Come on, boob. Probably be able to catch up to your grandmammy. This is kind of cool. Oh, wow. Didn't even realize this. Clown knife fish are in here. Some Florida exotic freshwater fish. That is cool. And regular one. Neat. Okay, newbie, let's go catch up to grandmammy. Whimper, whimper. I know you smell your grandma. Look, if my fat butt isn't whining about going on a nature hike, you shouldn't be neither. I know. I know, booby. We'll catch up to grandma. Remember, Sam has to stop and snorkel every 5 feet. So we'll catch up to him just fine. And we just made it down to the river. We could have gone all the way around, but meh. I got down to see some of the crystal blue water. Talked to a kayaker. He said, I know why they call it Rainbow River, because in some of the clear spots, he's like, you can just see rainbows shimmering through the water. It's so clear. Kind of cool to get some sort of boat that could hold me and Anubis. Go floating down the river. Go floating back up. Some sort of motorboat. I want to get him some hiking boots because I don't know if he's whimpering because, oh my God, Grandma's so far away. Or because of the gravel. He doesn't limp, he's not limping or anything. So he's just whining because we're getting exercise. I know. But Anubis, if I'm not whining, you shouldn't be whining. I know. Whimper, whimper. Okay, I'm gonna pause because there's people coming. Okay, now that the people have passed, I just don't want to be filming people and be that weirdo with the camera. Like, oh, pervert, stop filming us. Go. Hey, calm down. You pull me down, Anubis, I'm not going to be happy. Because it's going to be a pain in the ass for my fat butt to get back up. Newbie. Well, stop pulling. Newbie, heel. Anubis. Stop yanking and you'll stop whimpering and choking yourself out like a doofus. Get that from Sam. Little dork. Yeah. Little doofus. Yeah. Fat butt boob. Whiny doob. Well, we're almost there. Dork. I know we have to make a right somewhere. Let's not get lost in the woods. Because then you'll have something to whine about, newbie. Oh my god, we're lost. You'll have to eat me. Yeah, newbie, you'll have to eat me. If we get lost in the woods, and it comes down to it, eat me. Eat me to survive. Okay, I know we go around this corner. Newbie, you're fully stretched out. Stop. Heel. Get you that prong collar. Heel. Heel. Oh yeah, there's your grandma. A little caterpillar. Almost stepped on him. Newbie. Heel. So gorgeous. Oh. I was wondering how people brought their kayaks down the trail here. Like four-wheeler and a little trailer.
Well, this is the best we can do.
That's freaking cool.
See any monkeys yet?
Oh no, if you do, stay away from them. They have simian herpes B virus.
Oh, I know, we will.
Yeah, I'm about to say, yeah. Hit them with the paddle. Yeah. Just get a little closer. What's the worst that could happen? She said famous last words. I just wanted a picture. Famous last words. Now you can see your grandma. I know she's way up there, old Mr. Tinkles. Yeah, see, you just want to see your grandma. That's why you're whining like a little whiny weeboo. Yeah. Like a whiny weeboo. Whiny weeboo. Oh, man. Absolutely gorgeous. Definitely going to stop at the store and get some water. Go for the boys and me and my mom. Because, man, that does sound refreshing. Some ice cold water right now. The weird thing is, I'm not even thinking about Monster. I'm thinking about water. Which, oh, I know your grandma, she's so far. You can hear all the little lizards scattering. And if y'all can hear me heavy breathing, well, I'm fat. And sorry. Not sorry. At least I'm being fat and active. Oh my gosh. Stop whining. I have another water for you in the car. Whew. Man, do this a couple times a month, be in shape in no time. Oop. Mom, you're going the wrong way. I think. Huh? Yeah, but there's blue arrows pointing that way. This is the... Huh? But that might be the longer way. Okay, we're gonna go this way. Yeah. I think. Yeah. I have to go back and look at my footage. Alright, boob. Or we're going on an even longer nature walk. Oh yeah, I remember this hill. Yeah. Hey, you're going the wrong way! Yeah, because I remember that hill. I guess my mom and Sam are taking the long way around. I hope they can get out that way. Ooh, little lizard. Oof. Oofta. Oh yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna get you some hiking boots there, bud. Oh, big lizard. This is so beautiful here. Yeah, those are a bunch of lizards rustling over there. Get you a nice big drink of your water. I can hear the road. Did you have fun, newbie? Did you have fun on your walk? Like, sort of. You're ready to go sit in air conditioning, aren't you? Easter tinkles. Slowly marking your territory along the way. Also note this kind of squat. Ooh, getting oh. Ooh, there's a lizard. Old Mr. Tinkles. Oh, I can see the parking lot. I can hear lizards dropping. Okay, and we're basically out. I can see the parking lot through there. Walked a little over a mile. I don't see how long it takes Grandma to get out. We might be waiting until dark, boob. Yeah, we might be here for a bit. Oh, she beat us. Well, I'll be damned. Who'd have thought? I was just saying, well, we might be here till dark. Now we gotta wait till Grandma gets out. All right, we are out of here. That was awesome. And then there's some cabins you can rent over off in the distance there. It's pretty cool. Yeah. You can rent some cabins, and there's a museum. This is really, really cool. All right. I'll talk to you all later.